Hi everyone. So next project, hopefully a quick one. Lord Cannon the Vizsla needs higher bowls. They're on the ground at the moment. He's leaning down as he's got so much bigger. So I'm going to hopefully quickly make something that should be about 12 inches tall, 30 centimeters tall, about that wide, or that long, about that wide. I have a piece of ply that I just put a couple of, drew the outline of the bowls round, so I need to cut just inside those circles. I'm going to do that with a jigsaw. I think that's the most simplest way. I don't have a hole saw obviously that size. So let's crack on with it. Right guys, so got the ply here. I'm going to clamp it down, make two holes in the center of these two circles with a spade bit, and then get to work with the jigsaw. Anyone with OCD, no, I'm not starting in the center. I don't want to put a hole in the workbench. God damn it, I forgot the damn dust collection again. That's the sides. Here we go. Right, so I've just cut a piece of ply, so I've just got two sides. As I say, I want the top to be 30 centimeters, the bottom of the bowl to be 20, so these are 30 centimeters minus the 18 mil for the top piece of ply. And I've got two sides, which if I've measured correctly, should mean that they would go in between these two edges on the sides here. So just a question of putting it all together. If you're wondering why it's raining again, it's always raining. I live in the UK. There isn't a day to wait for that would definitely not be raining. And if you live in the UK, I live in Cornwall, so even worse. Although it has stopped now for a second. How nice of it. So as you can see, here. Bam. Pocket holes.
You didn't know you have to use a bucket jig, it's this simple. I knew it was already set up for 3/4 inch, sorry, 18mm ply. So you've got the height.
Adapter here, tighten this. You've got the ring to set, and you set that here on this particular Craig jig. You can use those tiny ones as well. I don't know about just as good, but they definitely work. Do tell me if you're feeling crooked. So just a question of going through all these is a bit laborious, a bit samey. So I'll fast forward you. After this one, you've got to watch another one. Great.
Of course, some people would measure these out. I cannot see the point, as long as they're roughly evenly spaced, that's what you end up with. Then of course you need 3 batteries in an afternoon, what's going on? You need side eye, 1 1/4 or 32mm pocket hole screws. You're going to